Hi, my name is Lenil Suero, and this is the wiki page that me and our classmates group projects did on social media culture. We did this social media culture because it was one of the topics that we were all talking about, and all decided. Um, so this is the page of with all of our names and what we were in charge, what the topics we were in charge of. Mine was negative aspect of social media. And this is Mary's page. She was in charge of social media addiction, and she actually has a research tab with some research and a video and what she came up with to be the solution to it. Um, so next is Richie's page. He actually has some statistics, a chart and some statistics. He has his research and he has a video. I really like his layout, how he did it. Um, and this is Amish page. He also has some statistics and a video, as we all do. He has his research, but he curated his all in one page. The next one is Dregwood. Um, his layout is a bit different than what um, his layout on how he laid out stuff. He laid it out from the beginning of the internet all the way to current events. So his layout is more, I think it's a bit more professional, um, and very well laid out. He has a video at the very end with his preference at the end. This is my own page, and I put the video on top so you can get um, so you get the feeling as you watch the video first, and then you read my research to um, on it on the negative aspect of social media and what it has in our society. Um, and then after the negative aspects, we have the positive af- af- effects on society on the social media. And I believe this one was Sean's page. He has a few pictures on the bottom with some smiley faces and laughing faces. His video is actually pretty big, so you can actually see it. Because he has his laid out actually collapse um, on how he did his layout. And then we have our author's page where we all each did a little introduction of ourselves. And then we have our works cited. One of the things that I learned from this is social media. It can be a double edge sword, as in it has its ups, it has a lot of benefits, but it also has its downfalls. Where so it's a tool to be used carefully and responsibly. Not it's not only for it's not a toy. It's to be used responsibly. Because it can influence a lot of things from family to all the way to politics. My responsibility on the wiki page was to keep the page APA, keep everybody's sources APA, and have their cited on their page and their paragraphs to be APA as well.